just been eating non-stop for the past 8 hours. My sister's here now! Yay! Kat is here! Is it really Chinese slippers if both of them aren't the wrong foot? Why do they both look wrong? 哇唔辣㗎，食成嚿薑？唔辣㗎。啊，係好好食㗎，你試一食。你唔食，你阿媽一定執嚟食咗佢㗎。你。Oh, doesn't this look appetizing? 家姐你食先。嗯 ？It's different. 有牙，即係有渣佬啦。It's like the weirdest combination of good, yeah, and funky. It's like 臭臭地、酸酸地 you know. That's ratio. Okay, this is our medicine. It's not that bad. Not even gonna breathe it. So you're just staring at their crotch, essentially. Yeah. We used to joke, like, we could work here because you'd have to socialize with people. Yeah. This is my uncle. This is his place.
呢度就開咗2年。
呢度唔係原先嗰度㗎？
梗係唔係啦，原先喺隔離。
原先哦，咁
啊，如果喺隔離搬過嚟，加埋大概就有35年。
舅父，你估我依對買咗喺邊？你估我喺邊度買？呢度啊，呢度隔離喎。你估我喺邊度買啊？我係 AliExpress 度買啊！我好多時唔見太陽眼鏡啊嘛。
咁你唔好要呢個鏡啦，呢啲鏡點戴得㗎？哎
呀，你幫我
唔俾你戴呢啲鏡啊！
哎呀，我
俾我對鏡俾你。
So this is a spleen?
Yeah.
And that's the stomach?
哇！呢啲真係出邊冇得上，要試。
Spleen's got the texture of stomach, but the taste of liver. Got that minerally taste. Liver on like a hard no.
都係咁㗎，都係咁㗎。
The train to Taiwan is arriving. Please let passengers exit first. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
It really is like night market where there's just a shit ton of cheap stuff. There's even arcade games for the kids to play. Y'all, it has been a rough 2 days. A couple of days ago, started feeling a little sick and then puked on the subway. Yep. Can't say I've ever done that before. Luckily, I had my mom and my sister in the care of 2 nurses. Was really nice. But then the next day, I was still very nauseous and just in and out of sleep. And my cousin's wedding was yesterday. I was just lying there on the couch while my sister beat my face, and then went off to the wedding, sat down for an hour. I was really hoping to get a picture for my mom's sake to prove that I was there, but I didn't make it. I ended up going back home by myself after sitting down for an hour at the wedding. And then this morning at 7 a.m. we were spreading my grandpa and my grandma and apparently my great-grandparents' ashes as well, and I made it to that, thank goodness. And then hadn't eaten since 2 days ago, so then got some food, got some Pocari Sweat to replenish those electrolytes. It was a really hard walk back home. I was completely out of breath and just almost fainting, but I made it, and also ate and then passed out, and now I'm here and I don't know what's wrong with me. Hello. Hello. 咁好煲咗粥。係啊，煲粥。哎呀！黐喺床邊，好似齋啡咁嘅咋。齋啡係咩嚟㗎 ？Black coffee。哦。No milk, no sugar。好正㗎，你信我啦。你飲完個胃舒服㗎。嗱，我教你飲呢一樣嘢就要一啖過。 你唔好諗，一啖過咪即係話唔好飲咯。一啖過好少啫嘛，得個10秒，1、2、3，好正。好。快啲飲啖水，嗱飲啖水，快啲，快啲飲啖。呃人嘅。冇呃你，好嘢嚟㗎！表哥由細到大都飲佢，最中意係飲佢啲。 啊！個面好紅啊！咁得意啦！ You can always find my pupil because he always wears this color. 唔係啦，叫阿想幫我整兩個。哦，OK。Okay, go for it. Rip his head off. Oh, there's stuff in it. I squeeze it. That was explosive. This was me yesterday. A couple of days ago. This was me. 豬食豬嘅，哎呀！ Everyone's sleeping. McDonald honk. Too late. We got a shot of Dad talking about pooping. We have taro pie, taro ice cream. What's the verdict on the taro ice cream? It tastes like corn. Yeah, it doesn't taste like taro. It tastes like corn. We got seaweed fries. There's a look of disappointment on your face. Are you underwhelmed? A bit. I'm underwhelmed. Okay, I like this. So we're set to leave Hong Kong tomorrow. I thought this food poisoning thing was getting better, and it hasn't. So I have been stuck in the apartment all day on our very last day, where I was supposed to meet up with my cousins and we were supposed to go Seoul Gai, which is eat street food and you know, hang out. And then at night I was supposed to see a big part of my dad's side of the family just for a last goodbye dinner, and quite disappointed that I've been here a week and a half, and 5 days out of that week I haven't really, well, let's say 4, I haven't really done much. Hong Kong has been totally different for me. This is the first time ever that I've been able to form my own opinion about Hong Kong. This is the beginning of our parents. Seeing our family has really helped. It's really helped us empathize more with what our parents have had to go through. I mean, not having any family in Toronto, I never really knew this. A little disappointed, to be honest, that I missed out on so much. Not just the food, but the time with family and time with this place. So, looking forward to going home, and kind of terrified to be on this plane ride, to be honest, because yeah, I'm still pooping water. So I'm back in Canada, and we just spent the past few hours missioning around to 2 hospitals, 2 walk-ins, and then off to the lab for some stool samples. And the doctor said that it's not food poisoning. I got put on a round of antibiotics. It's great to be home and to experience this, isn't it, honey?
Yep.
We were looking forward to catching up in other ways. This was not the way!